Hmm. Yeah, so myself Gautam, I have made this app. So web app. So this is a basic book application, e-commerce. So how this work is like we have this front end. Suppose we want to add some products in our cart, so just quickly like hover over it. Then suppose we want to add rich dad poor dad to our cart like this. So we just click. Suppose I click on this, so we can see that cart number is increased by 1. Now I want to add like psychology of money. So like see, we can see that cart ID is 2, and then suppose we want to also buy this Chanakya, so 3. So we can see that all the items are added to our cart with total of 826. Now I have integrated it Stripe payment system. So what this system will do is like we can basically pass on or buy these books. This is the demo version, so it won't actually like real, so we can see like let's see how it's work. So when I click, so like I can add my email. Yes, billing we can add if we have same billing address also. Yes, same billing. Yeah, I have same like payment. So for card number is 4 yeah, and 024. Yeah, so we can pay this. Okay, yeah, so let's see the the payment has been processed and the payment has been completed. Let's make sure that yes. So right now the timing is 11:30. Let's see if payment has been successfully done or not. So we will go to our Stripe account. Yeah, dashboard. Payments. Or yeah. Yeah, so we can see that we have 5 successful payments, and right now see 11:30 we have made this payment from like the payment is card from Varanasi where I am, and then shipping address and everything is has been like it's here. So we can see that payment gateway works pretty nice. Now if we want to go back to our main website, we can click here. Now the login, then suppose we want to create like our account XYZ, password APPLE Apple 121. Now let's create our account. Yeah, so account, as we can see that account has been created. So here we can display the user's name and ID, email ID, and if you want to log out, so I have just created a simple method. Suppose a user has been logged in from here, he can simply log by pressing here, he can log out. Like see, the user has been logged out. Now for in our app, if you want, in our app we can see that there are some various books, like 8 or 5-10 books are here, and author name. So suppose the user wants to access these books of with price, and so I have created a simple API. So let's say that we have this API, so we can see the ID, price, title and price. So yeah, we have this simple API. We can call this API and or like we can use post to add. We can use like get to fetch this API or post or to add or access to add new variable to this ID API. And so yeah, we can see this version of API. It's very simple Node and Express API. So suppose if user want to add this API, he can add from here. So the API is like very simple. It's not a basic doing very complicated things like fetching data from database. Also it's very simple API. And this, and for code, like that we can clearly see that this is our simple like deploy server. Like folder structure is also very simple, like app, which is using basic route feature from React Router DOM, Firebase like API, and various authentication login function, and everything has been like API and auth. And the date file structure has been kept very simple. Like we can see that auth for like login and logout function. And this cart, in cart I have created various other components like checkout and checkout our product. Like what products does is, suppose we have add this product like this, so this product will display it here, and this total JS, this total, like see the price, and it will basically display the total version. And this cart, so in this cart I have created a various elements and then render all the elements to a one particular component, and then use this component to directly render to the main app. So instead of rendering all the three separately, we have created only one component and rendered that. Same goes with like front end. We have created header, footer, and search bar. And so search bar, like this is our basic search bar. And then payment gateway. For payment gateway, I can say that I have created my own Node.js server, which I have not used in this. Like it's basically use Stripe security API, like secret API. So I have created using Sandbox, and then yeah, from Sandbox we can directly fetch the data, and then we can use this payment. Suppose there is an error in payment system, like check if it's like if there is an error. So yeah, so yeah, if there is an error, then this payment system will not work. Like we can see that all the card details are wrong. So yeah, we can see you okay then. So that's it. Thank you. Next.